Dan with Guardian Mold Prevent here. Just wanted to take a look with you at a basement located in Evergreen Park, Illinois. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of mold that has developed on the lower portions of the walls in this basement, as well as on the cabinetry that's present. And it's a result of a small amount of water getting in and sitting for quite some time. The sump pump went out and no one knew about it for quite a while. And once the water was pumped out, it was ultimately too late because the drywall is porous material and the water actually wicks right up into the capillaries of the gypsum, and the paper on the drywall gets moldy. Now, we hope that watching this video you see that this mold problem is larger than the one that you're researching or you're looking into getting taken care of. And the purpose of this video is not to show you something that would be comparable to what you have, but really to show you that even on large-scale mold projects and mold problems, we can achieve proper remediation and get the space livable. When we walk into a place like this, the first thing we do is we determine what types of materials are present. So you've got porous materials like drywall, trim, insulation, carpeting, carpet padding. Those things would fall under the porous category. And then semi-porous materials would be wood framing members, because wood is a semi-porous product, and non-porous materials would be your concrete foundation walls and floor. The reason we define those materials is because we actually treat them differently during the process of the remediation. In terms of setting up a scope of work, we normally come in and set up containment, so we seal off the space as to not allow for there to be cross-contamination with the rest of the living space. We then put in air scrubbers or negative air machines to run all the air through HEPA filtration and remove the spores from the air. And we remove and physically discard the porous materials that are present, and then all semi-porous and non-porous materials that are present then get treated with a biocide, which is a product that kills mold on contact, scrubbed, and then treated with an acrylic-based mold-resistant coating. So you'll see here that the drywall has been removed, the insulation has been removed. We get down to the semi-porous materials, so the wood framing members, and the non-porous materials like the concrete foundation walls. We then scrub them down with that biocide product, again a product that's used to kill mold on contact, and physically agitate the mold spores from those surfaces. We use HEPA vacuums during the process to make sure everything is cleaned thoroughly, and then we put on that white acrylic-based mold-resistant coating. Now, the whole time we do the project, we run the air scrubbers or the air machine to get that air clean. We also run it for a day or two afterwards. In this project, we also clean the furnace and the ductwork out to make sure that the spores are removed from the system and are not redistributed throughout the house. And ultimately, you can see that the remediation process has been completed and it's successful. We can now move forward with restoring this basement and getting someone in here to inhabit the space.